Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Hux World. And yes, people, we got an awesome lineup for you today. Now, we're going to start off with number one. Number one is nice, coming from X9 Studio. And you know the guy gets down. We haven't had him on the channel for a while, but this one here is one of his new creations, and it's called X9 Active. Now, I love this design. It's pretty much like a hybrid watch face. In the AOD mode, it's going to look just as nice. You're going to get the info you need at a glance with no problem. Now, let's take a look at this watch face when it's on. First of all, it looks very simplistic, right? You get the time, you get the minutes on the side, and down at the bottom, it lets you know the date. And I like the look, very minimalistic, but once you tap on the center, double tap, and then you can bring more information up. So now you have your heart rate information, step information, calories burned. So this is going to be good for a weekend run or an after 5 run when you get off of work. And if I double tap again, now I'll pull up some more information. Now all of these things are interactive. I thought it was nice. This is going to be affordable in the Gear Manager store. And yes, you can tap on any of the icons and bring up the information that you're seeking. Now here, I can get a favorite. I get 2 in all. I tap over here, I get another favorite that I can set to make the watch face just that much more convenient. Got a timer, got my S Health right here that I can go into as well. And also you got your date down at the bottom, calories burned, and your step info. So I thought this was pretty cool for a watch face. And then he offered an option for us to be able to change the color. So if I double tap here, I could change the color theme of this watch face, which I thought was awesome. And it adds some flavor to it, right? Gives it a different look to a degree. Now, the battery on this thing right here is going to start blinking after 30%. It's going to flash yellow. And then once it's at 20%, it's going to start flashing red right around this ring right here, which I thought was super awesome and definitely different for a watch face. But it looks nice. X9 Studio, I thought they did a great job with this watch face. But at the end of the day, it's all about you. What did you think, people? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And if you enjoyed the video, then please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And we're going to say it again. Hit the like button on the way out. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. All right, you all. That's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy your weekend.